How to get classic Microsoft Paint back on Windows 11. First, open your web browser, type this URL, then press enter. Scroll down and click on Download Paint option. Then downloading will be started. After download complete, go to the file location. Extract the zip file. Then double click on the installer. Then a setup wizard will appear. Click next. Select your install location or keep the default one. Then click next. Click on the open settings button below. In the settings app, click on app execution aliases. Now find the MS Paint and PBrush entries in the list of app aliases. Then toggle off both of them. After that, the classic paint will work instead of the built-in one in everywhere. Now close settings, click next, then click install. After completing installation, you can now access the classic version of Paint. Open it. And that's how you can get classic Microsoft Paint back on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.